Yeah, screw it. Come on, taking all day. Freaking hour of my day in the blazing heat. Bullshit. Come on, fucker. What the fuck? Give me a fucking break. Alrighty. What the fuck? What the fuck is going on? I got a kink in the hose. Fucking Mr. Miyagi ain't got shit on me. Wax on, wax off. Wax on, wax off. Speed, 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 speed. Go, 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 go. It's like the Indy 500 over here. Clean the fucking hood. Look at all the bugs that don't wipe off. All the shit that doesn't wipe off. Mr. Miyagi can keep his fucking wax on, wax off. Whoever said this shit is fun, obviously hasn't fucking done it. Good heat stroke. Good heat stroke. Dang it. Oh, some nice bird shit. Just pile drive through it, motherfuckers. Wax on, wax off, wax on, wax off, wax on, wax off, wax on, wax on, wax off, wax off. Put my body on it. Fuck off. I'm done.
She's so sexy, so sexy. She's so sexy, so sexy. Stop flirting, mama, and come sex me. You make me wanna be a sex fiend. She's so sexy, so sexy. She's so sexy, so sexy. Stop flirting, mama, and come sex me. You make me wanna be a sex fiend. Here we are again, right back where we left off. Your pussy so soft. I never ever thought it would be this tight. I was dead wrong. I can still remember your ass eating that red thong.